Hi, this is a trade done in Anand Rati. Today is 22nd of May 2024. So the trigger was on the 15-minute chart. We got a beautiful fake candle setup right over here. So as always, to know fake candle, please read my book. And I got a buy signal as soon as the high of the previous swing high, let me say, on a 15-minute chart was crossed, and my stop loss was 39.73, so giving me a risk reward ratio of 1 is to 4.5. So it went shot up in the next two bars. It went up close to 100 rupees from my entry, although I could not book the entire one, so I came out somewhere here. And if I show you the 5-minute chart, it'll be more clear on the rationale for my entry. So I got a very good risk reward ratio here. You can see there was a nice consolidation near the high, and then when it broke out, I entered. This was my stop loss and my target. As soon as it broke this close, I tried to sell, but it got executed at 40.56. That's the pace that one has to live with. So it's again a beautiful candlesticks trade. It's an advanced trade, advanced concept called the fake candle, and this is something that I routinely use for identifying such rocket moves or moves which will last you like in 5-minute parlance. It's just 3 5-minute bars, right? So that's the power of such candles. So learn to spot such candles and have fun. I hope all of you having a great day. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.